Well, hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. Welcome to the channel and to today's video. I'm so excited. I am doing a collab with a very good friend of mine, Zeisha from Life of Zeons. Go and check out her channel. She has the most funnest content over there. It's like hanging out with a friend, honestly. So she has shopping hauls and vlogs, cleaning, motivation, just lots of stuff all about her and Bronson, and I just love hanging out with her. It's so much good fun. We have been chatting recently about doing a collab, and ideally the best collab ever would be for me to fly up to the Gold Coast and take her markdown shopping. It's not happening anytime soon. So we were talking also about Kmart and homewares and just all the stuff we love. And we thought about Ikea because I haven't been in ages. She was already going to go as a bit of a fun, have a look around. And she knows I'm in a no buy. And so it's a look, don't touch, no buying. And I said, hey, let's go and see what we both like best as like a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and any organization things that we have, and just share with you guys what we love. So no doubt we're going to have lots of fun today. It's basically a super giant dollhouse that we're going to go play in. So I'm excited. So let's go. It wasn't very busy today at IQ, which was great, so it gave everyone lots of space to walk around. I love and hate these doors at the same time. They're fun, but if you touch the door, it will stop, which can freak kids out if they're stuck inside. Up the escalators, and I love that straight away you can see a room layout, especially with the price there. I think it just gives you a great sense and idea. I loved the color scheme in this. I just felt that the room was a little bit too busy because they're trying to show you how all the organization works, but I love how they've got room backed onto another room into the bathroom, and I was like, oh, this is it. I found my perfect bathroom already. Love the toilet, even with toilet paper there for display. The window made me laugh because I thought, imagine standing up there naked and the neighbors could see in the shower. And I loved all the little cabinets and stuff, gave me some great ideas. Next onto that, they've got a bedroom little setup with a sewing nook, and I thought this just looks so vintage 1950s decor. And then they've got all their cupboards and things here. I had a sneak peek at the clothes. Zeisha, looks like they've left your wardrobe here. These colors would suit you perfectly. And then next there is just this most gorgeous makeup vanity. I've been eyeing this off ever since I've seen it, but it's about $300. But I think I just love it for the little drawers that are here. And it's got also a cute little stool. So taking a pan around the room, I love also the wall boxes with displays, but I thought this bedroom, I was like, I'm pretty sure this is what I'd want. Sewing nook and all. Into this kitchen, and I was like, oh, this is it. This is my favorite kitchen. This is the first kitchen I've seen. I just love how simple it is. The white cupboards and then the black. Of course, I've done the spin test in here. The 1950s ads show women spinning around in their kitchen, so I was like, gotta do it. And then I saw this kitchen, I was like, oh, nope, this is the kitchen that I love. Especially for the white tiles on the back. I think it just makes the room look much bigger, and I love how they've shown other parts with tables and outdoor settings. Then I saw the kitchen that I was like, this is the kitchen that I love. Way luxury and would never fit in my house, but we can appreciate it. It's so gorgeous. I think I love it because it's got 4 ovens. I'm a baker, so that would work really well in my house. Of course, I opened all the doors and drawers to have a look inside, and I love how simple everything just opens and closes. And I loved the marble look bench tops as well. All the cupboards that I opened, I love the storage. It's so good. I wish we had drawers inside some of our cupboards. I really think it would help keep things organized and tidy. Of course, I spent a few trying to open doors to look for the fridge because it didn't have a label, and found it. Could you imagine being here in the dark trying to find the fridge if you didn't know if it wasn't your kitchen, if you were in someone's house. Oh, God, funny. But then this corner cupboard, I absolutely love this little device that's in there. I wish that we got one for ours, but it just wouldn't fit. It was like 10 centimeters too small. And then the dishwasher, close the door. Dishwasher's inside. Open the door. How do I open it? Oh, there we go. And then I was laughing because they've left a whole lot of dishes in there, so someone needs to empty the dishwasher. I just love how everything's behind all the white doors, so everything just has that seamless look. I loved the cupboard under the sink. I was surprised there wasn't bins in here for how deep the cupboard is, but again, you can see the fake paneling of a double door. But then next door, they have the drawers with all the organization tools for cleaning and washing. And then the bin is underneath that. So I'm surprised it wasn't under the main bin, under the kitchen sink, sorry. But still, it's a bit of a bend down though. That's the only thing that I really wasn't a fan of. The thing I had to laugh is that they have these cupboards up over the sink, and I was standing on tippy toes to get up there, and then a couple of them wouldn't even open, so I didn't know what was going on, and I was like, it's a no from me. Who would put stuff in there? Seriously. Around the corner, they had this most gorgeous study. It reminds me of Harry Potter and all those professors that you see in movies. So I just wanted to take a quick video to show you guys. Completely overwhelming with how much stuff is in there. And then next door is, oh, I love this setup. A makeup vanity with the lights and the mirror, and then the shelves on the wall. And of course, I just love this chair with the fake sheepskin rug that is over the back of it. It's just a classic makeup look for the area. On to the most coolest room in all of Ikea, the gaming room, which my son would absolutely love. And I thought they just got all of the details absolutely perfect in here. 2 screens for the gamers, and then an area for you to do editing of your YouTube videos, and then all of the things to hang it on the wall, as well as the awesome displays, and the LED lights just make the room pop. A TV with a little lounge area, and a scoreboard because that's important for gamers. Around the corner they had a little storage cupboard with gaming, and I saw this Monopoly Dungeons and Dragons game. Didn't even know it existed, so I'm gonna check that out for my son. And then inside, again, their attention to detail is just A1 with the kind of games they had in there, just to show you some ideas of what you could do as well. So I just think IKEA's storage solutions are just awesome. They know exactly what's going on. The last thing I saw was this bathroom. I absolutely love this bathtub. I'd probably never get out again. And the double vanity. I think it would be perfect for our house. We are very busy in our bathroom, so to have the space and 2 different sinks would be ideal for a larger family. Just before I hit downstairs to the marketplace, they've got all the little soft toys, and this panda, he is so cute. He nearly came home with me, but I thought better leave him. And then I saw the most gorgeous bath mat here. Very pink, very fluffy, very soft. Zeisha, I can see this in your house, absolutely. I loved these art pieces for the wall, and again, if I wasn't in a no-buy, they so would have been coming home with me. Where I'd put them, I don't know, but still. And then these gorgeous flowers. I know people aren't really a fake flower person, but all together here on display, I thought they just looked amazing, and it was like walking through a little florist room. The last 2 things I saw was this little lamp here. Zeisha, you can be the lady of the lamp with your pink lamp. Perfect for a little tea light. And this pink planter, I've seen similar at Kmart, but I just love the orchids that are in this as well. And then I came across the kitchen area before I had a quick leave, and I picked myself up a little goodie. We are back. Thank you so much for joining with me today. I've got my little souvenir here, $2. I have been after this for a good couple of years, so this predates no buy. So yeah, I have to see if the head comes off or not. I can't remember. I'm hoping it doesn't. My black and white one that I have, the head doesn't come off, and then the other ones I have from, I think it was Kmart, the head does come off, which is great for cleaning. But when you're trying to mix a really hard ingredient, and the head stays there and the handle's in your hand, just but I love these because they do get every single little bit out of the bowl, which my family aren't happy about when they want to clean out the bowl for me. But still, either way, so this is a present for the house, but much needed. This is not a want, this is very much a need. I do a lot of baking, as you guys would know, so yes. Please give this video a thumbs up if you had fun with me today, and leave me a comment below and let me know if there's anything that you saw that you were like, ooh, which, you know, for me would be like everything. And I find things that go in trends as well, like when that 9-hole storage system came out, it seemed that everybody had one, so of course we got one, but it has been very, very, very well used and loved, and now still is used, especially for all the Lego and the other toy storage and things in the house, and other bits and pieces that we've had. Absolutely, they get used 110%. So everything we've gotten from Ikea has been very well worth it. Absolutely. Subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to have you part of our Frugal Fun family. Thank you so much for joining with me today. Don't forget to go and check out Zeisha's channel if you haven't already, and if you're here from her channel, thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.